Hi, Roman from Nerd Support here. Cloud computing is becoming the preferred method for businesses to manage and store their data, but it may be challenging for financial firms to evaluate the cost and maintenance of IT. Here are 6 factors to focus on when assessing a provider. Number 1. Cost. Before you can select a provider, you need to clarify your specific requirements and objectives. See what can be covered by a service while staying within your budget. Number 2. Canned versus custom software. Canned software is designed for and distributed as pre-written code, so it's cheaper but doesn't offer much flexibility, while custom software is designed specifically in order to meet one's needs, but it's a bit more costly. Number 3. Certifications and standards. Providers that comply with recognized standards display an adherence to best industry practices. Nerd Support cloud-based software as a service solution complies with many regulations, such as FINRA and SOX, that financial institutions must meet. It's even used by one of the top financial firms in the world, Fidelity Investments. Number 4. Data governance and security. Research the level of security provided by the company and look into its history with data breaches. A reliable cloud provider can go a long way towards establishing an effective business continuity plan. Number 5. Customer support and performance. Does the company have 24/7 customer support? Do they have knowledge of the cloud? Quality care by a service provider is key to evaluating their reliability. And number 6. Scalability. As your company grows in size, you want a cloud provider that can adjust as well. Take into account your company's potential for growth when deciding on a provider. Nerd Support has over 17 years of experience helping financial institutions. Start transforming your business by moving to the cloud with a provider built for financial firms and addresses all your needs and security compliance. And as always, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like and share it. If you want to learn more about our managed services, visit our website at nerdsupport.com. Thanks for stopping by.